TCN AI Vending Machine. Grab and go shopping with AI-powered automatic checkout. Spacious 1,000-liter capacity for a wide range of products. Adjustable shelf height. Compatible with all product shapes and categories. Built-in cooling module with adjustable temperature from 3 degrees centigrade to 10 degrees centigrade. Heated front glass for clear. Fog-free display. Smart touchscreen card reader for an integrated payment and selection experience. Supports both card payment and QR code payment. Card payment processing. Step 1. Select the door to open. Step 2. Swipe or tap your card. Step 3. Open the door and pick your items freely. Dual top cameras track and recognize your selections in real time. Step 4. Close the door and checkout completes automatically. QR code payment processing. Step 1. Scan the QR code. Step 2. Select the door to open. Step 3. Open the door and pick your items freely. Step 4. Close the door and checkout completes automatically. Order details can be checked anytime in My Orders. Seamless shopping, powered by AI.